Hello, I'm Georgie Lewis. Welcome to The Voyage, our brand new lifestyle show dedicated to getting the most out of life and your Princess Motor Yacht. This is comfy. I'm in the saloon of the fabulous V65 berthed here at Princess Yachts Australia HQ, which is at Sanctuary Cove on the Gold Coast in Queensland, Australia. I'd like to invite you to join us every month right here for The Voyage, which comes to you from this very special part of the world. Let's take a look around. Well, now that you've seen our beautiful home, we hope you might plan a visit to come see us soon sometime. One of the great joys of the festive season in the Southern Hemisphere is that we're smack bang in the middle of summer, so it's always great boating weather. For many of us, Christmas will be spent on board or in the water with family and friends around us, enjoying the warmth of the sun and the cool of the ocean. It's one of the reasons we all love to play around in boats, a special time of the year indeed. So to you and yours, happy holidays wherever you are. Now, if only Santa would leave the keys under my Christmas tree to this year. Well, introducing the Princess S78, our boat profile of the month. Well, we did mention it's summer, a time when we tend to use our boats more often, and that means entertaining. Artichoke Restaurant is a supplier we've used here for years, and Grant Madgwick knows a thing or two about pairing delicious food with fine wine. Here's a summertime cocktail we know you will love serving your guests. So we recently returned from what we hope will become an annual gathering of Princess Yacht owners, their boats, families and friends to the Whitsunday Islands on Queensland's Great Barrier Reef. The trip was dubbed Family, Friends and the Finer Things and was a 3-day event which took in beautiful Hayman Island, perfect weather, well, perfect everything really. think you'll agree, a divine destination, and the wheels are turning on next year's trip, so do let us know if you're interested in attending. That's about all we have time for in this edition, but in our next episode we'll be introducing a segment called Ask Andy. If you have a question about operational procedures or servicing, in fact anything you want to know about your vessel, then our man Andy is the guy to do it. You can text or email your questions here, and if we ask Andy your question, you'll receive a Princess cap, originally from head office in Plymouth. Andy has plenty of tips, tricks and hacks to help you with smooth sailing. We'll also road test the brand new Bentley Continental GT, and Andrew Mirosh will be along to prepare the best plate of oysters you have ever seen. Well, we hope you've enjoyed our very first episode of The Voyage, coming to you from the saloon of this magnificent Princess V65, moored here at our head office at Sanctuary Cove, Gold Coast, Australia. Now, if you would like any more information on anything you've seen on today's show, please get in touch with us via the website. We welcome you to come and see us anytime, and we do look forward to seeing you soon.